In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the Touch ID is not working on your iPad 11 A16. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab your iPad, then use a soft cloth and clean the fingerprint area. Now the fingerprint sensor is placed on the power button or the side button of your iPad. Now just clean the fingerprint sensor. Also make sure that your fingers are clean. Now after you've done that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Now just enter your lock screen passcode, and from here just make sure that you have enrolled your fingerprint. Now if you have not registered your fingerprint yet, just tap on Add Fingerprint, then register your fingerprint. But if you have already registered your fingerprint, just tap on the fingerprint which you have registered, then tap on Delete Fingerprint. After that, just tap on Add Fingerprint one more time, and start registering your fingerprint once again. Complete the fingerprint registering process. Then tap on Continue. Now you can register the same finger twice so that your iPad will have more data about your fingerprint. Now after you've registered your fingerprint, then just go to the lock screen and check if your fingerprint is working or not. Now let's say if your fingerprint sensor is still not working, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad, then just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart is completed, the first time, just unlock your phone using the lock screen code. Now for the second time, just check if your fingerprint is working or not. Now as you can see, our issue has been fixed. But if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. Now just make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet. Now after you connect your iPad to the internet, then just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now after you do that, then just go back to the general settings. Now just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.